One tablespoon red chili powder. 1 teaspoon salt. 1 teaspoon cumin seeds powder. 1 tablespoon chaat masala. 1/2 teaspoon turmeric powder. 1/2 tablespoon chilli flakes. 1 teaspoon black salt. 1/2 teaspoon Nigella seeds. 1 tablespoon lemon juice. 4 to 5 tablespoons tamarind pulp. Few drops orange color. Mix well. Four tablespoons cooking oil. Add prepared masala. Cook on medium flame for 1 minute. 1 kilogram boiled potatoes. Cook until water dries out and coat properly. One tablespoon fresh coriander leaves. Mix well.